Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. One common question I get from patients is, what is the difference between a strain and a sprain? The difference between a sprain and a strain is the location of the injury. So for example, an ankle sprain is an injury to the ligaments in the ankle, or it could be the knee or whatever joint we're talking about. So it's almost like a micro tear in the ligaments of the joint, whereas a strain is a muscular tear. So for example, if she strained her quadricep, it would be a little micro tear in the muscles here. And there's different grades of that strain, so it could be grade 1, 2, or 3, and it just depends on how severe that strain is. But that would dictate kind of how we treat it, is based on the grade of the strain and what's going on with that tissue there. But think of it from a sprain standpoint, it's going to be more of a ligament, where a strain is going to be more muscular or tendon. For a sprain, we want to typically reduce down the inflammation, so we want to ice the area there, and then we want to stabilize that area. So whether we use rock tape or whether we have the person use a brace, that will help to reduce the stress on that sprained area in the ligament, and that'll allow it to heal. And then once we get the inflammation down, we can help to start strengthening the ligaments in that ankle or whatever the joint is, so that it helps to heal and will reduce the stress on that area. Typically, an ankle sprain takes longer to heal than a strain, but it all depends on the grade of the injury. For a muscular strain, typically what we want to do, we want to loosen up any of that tightness or scar tissue that may form in that area from the injury. So typically in our office, what we'll do is we'll do a combination of active release and dry needling and Graston technique to help loosen up that tension and tightness in the muscle. And that'll allow that muscle fiber to heal correctly and reduce the stress on that area there. But again, a lot depends on the severity of the injury, will dictate how long it takes to get better. So I hope that answers a common question of what is the difference between a strain and a sprain. So if you're dealing with any kind of strain or sprain, give our office a call at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novachirowellness.com.